If I told you I could give you life, would you leave the boundaries of your mind? I bet you never even knew that there's a universe inside of you. Can I take your pain and make it go away? Would you let me be your getaway? There's a universe inside of you. Can I guess? If I color you with all my thoughts, would you lose your fears of being lost? I bet you never even knew. I see the universe inside of you. Can I make you feel okay? Would you let me take you to a higher place? No, 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 no.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So you should have just saw a quick unboxing of this unit right here. This unit is courtesy of ZURY Hollywood. They were kind enough to send me a few different units, but today I decided to review this unit. Why? Because Halloween is tomorrow and I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a storm look, or maybe, I don't know, I feel like Little Kim. I'm not sure exactly what look I was going for, but I definitely feel like I'm Storm up in this piece. So as you guys should have already saw, this unit is from their ZURY SIS sister wig line. It is from their Slay collection, and it's called Slay H Mina in the color Platinum. So this is the unit that I have. She is wearing it, I believe, in blonde. So the model is wearing it in blonde, and then I have it in platinum. So yeah, this video should be super quick. I just decided to do something really quick and easy and very fun and outside the box because it's Halloween, and you know when it's Halloween, everybody tries a little bit something different. And so yeah, that was pretty much the only reason why I chose this platinum unit. And I also chose it because it has bangs, and therefore I didn't have to blend it with, you know, my hair, my hairline, or anything of the sorts. And so that's why I really decided to go ahead and choose it. Would I love this unit in black? Absolutely. I would definitely rock the hair in black. This platinum, you know, yeah, for Halloween. I'm gonna just say it's just for Halloween because I'm not gonna wear this on a day-to-day basis. But yeah, the unit as itself, I have no cons or anything about the unit. Like, it's very easy to comb through. I love the fact that it's bangs, so you can just throw it on and basically go. I was having a little trouble with this hair right here. I'm not sure if it's just the way that it was put on the unit, but it's kind of like sticking up. Yeah, so besides this piece of hair right here that's just kind of sticking up, I guess that's just how it was made. But it's not a big deal. Like, I just keep rubbing it down and it'll be fine. But yeah, other than that, it's not really much that I can say about it. I'm not sure how long this unit is. If I had to guess, I probably would say about 22 inches, 22 to 24 inches. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I can say about this unit. Like I said, I do have some other units which I'm really looking forward to, and I'm really looking forward to showing you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And so if you guys like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this unit right here. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.
There's a universe inside of you. Can I